Merely by knowing how roti and sabzi is made, your stomach is not filled. Merely by having the knowledge of a king, you do not become a king. So we need to understand the limitations of knowledge. Knowledge is a limited spiritual sadhan. Doesn't it make sense? If you have read the cookbook and memorized it, will it fill your stomach? It will not. You have all the knowledge, but it is not serving any purpose. So that is why our Shastra says, Shat Shastra Veta Nigama Pravinas Tatha Gamavya Karanadinishtaha. You may become Shat Shastri, a knower in the Nigam, Agam and Vyakaran. You may have the knowledge of all the libraries of the world in your head, but it will still be no use to you. This is only theoretical knowledge. What helps you is practical realization. You see, there is one Shabdik Gyan and there is one Anubhavatmak Gyan. One theoretical knowledge and one practical realization. Theoretical knowledge in itself is not going to help. In fact, it can even increase your pride. Avidyaya mantare vartamana swayam dhira panditam manyamana dandramyamana paryanti mudha andhe naiva niyamana yathandha. The Kathopanishad has come down very strongly. That those who know the Karma Kand, they may think that I am a great Pandit. But it will not work, because the practical realization is necessary. The knowledge that helps you is the inner knowledge which creates faith. There was one Guruji. He used to serve in a temple, and his disciple used to live across the stream. So she used to get some samagri for the puja, and she used to come late. Guruji said, look, I have to offer bhog and the milk you bring is necessary. Can't you come early? The lady said, Ki Guruji, no boatman is ready till 8 in the morning. What can I do? Guruji said, with the help of Bhagwan Naam, people cross over Bhavasagar. Can't you cross a river? She said, really? All right then. The next day she had full faith. My Gurudev has told me that with Ram Naam I can cross the river. So with that conviction, Ram, 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 she placed her foot and it remained on the stream. Then she said, Ram, Ram, Ram. The second foot was also there and she was walking across. Now she was coming in time. After 1 week, Gurudev said, Ki Beti, how come you are reaching in time? She said, Gurudev, you told me that with Bhagwan Naam, we should be able to cross the river. So that is what I am doing. Gurudev said, really? Let me also try. So he went, but he did not have that faith. Ram, 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 Ram. And he put his foot and splashed the water. So the lady was already crossing. She said, Gurudev, you were also putting your foot and also saving yourself. What is the matter? You did not have faith that you will be able to cross. In other words, he had given the knowledge, but he did not have faith. And she had created that faith in the knowledge. So what helps us is not just words, but the Shraddha. And the Shraddha comes through the inner realization. That is why it is said, Padhane ki had samajh hai, samajhan ki had jnana, jnana ki had hari naam hai, prem naam had jaan. You keep reading, it leads to understanding. You keep understanding, it leads to wisdom. Through the wisdom, you develop faith in the name of God. God is sitting inside His name, and I can just take His name. And the consequence of taking the name is Prem. Prem Naam Hatjan. So what we need is faith.